This tutorial shows you how to use Tooltip. Let's create a JavaFX email application. Let me copy package to FXM documents. Open with the Sim Builder. Okay, let me move button a bit down here. Then let me remove label. For this demonstration, I will use two labels. Then one text field for username, password field for password. Okay, for now, let me do a quite simple login page. Username. Again, LBL username. Password. Then LBL password. Text field, I will say tf username. Password field, I will say pf password. For button, I will say login. For ID, I will say btn login. For now, that's all. Save. Go back to NetBeans. Make controller. So we don't use those the label. I will remove it. Let's have a look. Clean and build and run it. So when you have a username and password here, it does not show anything. At least when you click it, it will say clicked. But if you move your mouse over to components, it will say some sort of a tooltip up here. That's exactly what we are trying to do here at this point. So go back to Sim Builder. Here, tooltips, just drag and drop to text field. Second one, drag and drop to password field. There are two tooltips. Select the first one and then enter password. Make sure it's a tooltip. And then initialize a tooltip for ttUsername. Sorry, select the tooltip, second one. Enter password. Then name it TT password. That's it. Again, make a new controller. So we can see TT username password. So here we will say text field username, set tooltip, says that tooltip for this controller. That's okay. ttUsername, that's correct. pf password. Same thing, set tooltip. And then tt password. So basically, tooltips display additional informations. For first one is username text field, and the second one for password field. First time will take a bit of a time, like 1 second. So if I type username Ken, enter username, when you move, it will appear quickly. So move your mouse over the components, it will give you a tooltip. Same as a minimize, maximize button. Okay, let me make it clear. When you move mouse over UI components or UI control, I think that's it. Thank you.